Ladies and gentlemen, we live in historic moments. We still can't believe it. Today is Friday, July 3rd, 2026. Fred and I are going to go kayaking for a little bit. Say hello, Fred. Hello, guys. Hello, good morning. All right, so we're gonna go kayaking for a little bit. It's already 8:30 in the morning, so we're not gonna kayak for very long. We're at the Shingle Creek near Hunter's Creek. So Fred is heavy, and I need both arms to carry him. It's not a very long walk, but I have to stop recording, right? We'll keep you informed. All right, so we'll see. Hopefully I won't have any problems. All right. I'm wearing my water shoes, but I'm not wearing a bathing suit. So, all right, so getting into the water. That's how I plan to do it. Okay. Slowly. Okay. That worked. Look at that. Look at the cypress trees. Stumps. Paddling and video and recording. Paddling and holding my phone. It's a skill. Fred and I are stuck in the middle of, at the end of this creek. It's not the end. I know that that it continues. I know that it keeps flowing under the bridge, but I have to turn around. I have to freaking turn around. Fred is pissed. Pissed. Okay guys, so I am out of the dead end. It's over there. And I am paddling back. It's upstream, so it's a little bit more difficult, but it's fine. I'm gonna go up this way to see how far I can get. Big old log blocking the path to the creek. So anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can get over the log. Okay, so I considered actually getting out of Fred, getting out of the kayak, and just basically walking and pulling him over the log, because it's as you can see, it's really shallow. It's not deep at all. See? So, but on the other side, it's a little bit deeper. And I don't know how wet I want to get today. Anyway, I think I'm going to. Oh, wait a minute. Hello. You know what? I don't know. I'm trying to get over. Where did you guys come from? But where did you come from over there? Oh my God. Can you get over that way? Oh, gotcha. Okay, all right. So there's light at the end of the tunnel. I may be able to go over to the other side. I see we have other kayakers that are going around the trees. All right. Not sure if I'm gonna try that. I may try it. I'm gonna ask him to see how far they kayak that way. I'm gonna ask him to see if it's worth it. We will keep you informed. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm gonna find spiders. I'm gonna find alligators. I'm gonna get eaten by something sometime. So I'm trying to get to the other side, and I am noticing that the trees are full of spiders. Big, black, very much alive spiders. So I don't know. I mean, I am not arachnophobic. I'm really not, but I don't want to get bitten by a brown recluse. So I am considering turning around. Still debating whether I want to go on the other side. What would you do? What would Fred do? Fred? You see? So, should I or shouldn't I? Things that make you go, So I'm on the other side of the log. Of course, the trees are full of bees. So that's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. I'm not really scared for some reason. Fred is not scared. Let's take a picture of that one, wait. So yes, there's that. So this is the other side. It looks really nice. One arm paddling. Those guys were all equipped with kayak gear. They had life vests and everything, and I'm sure they had survival kits. I just have Fred. Right, Fred?
Yeah, man. It's just you and me. You're my very best friend.
There you go. There you go. Yep, it's full of them. Fuck. So we've got spiders in the trees. Shit. Hope they don't swim. Well, the path is getting narrower and it's actually getting closer to the trees. And I don't want to get too close to the trees. Fred and I don't want to get too close to the trees. I think you know why. Getting very close to these cypress trees, which are absolutely beautiful and everything, but what lives on them kind of makes me question my judgment. Well, this looks like another dead end. I mean, I don't know if I want to continue on this way. The trees are getting too close to each other. The creek is getting a lot narrower and there are more logs in the way blocking the creek, as you can see. And I think it gets worse, and I think I've seen enough. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go back the way I came, and hopefully I will make it to the other side alive and uneaten. Uneaten. Hope I don't get Titanicked. Could you imagine? Come back! Come back! Jack! I'll never let go.